Hey guys, we're going to be talking about the course Introduction to Linux OS offered by codingbootcamps.com. So before we talk about that, let's talk about the instructor of the course, which is going to be me, Kevin Downs. I'm a Red Hat Certified System Administrator, and at my current job I'm in charge of administering hundreds of servers running on different Linux distributions. I work as a UNIX System Administrator, supporting several large enterprise-level clients with IBM across multiple different environments. As an RHCASA, I'm pretty adept at Linux programming for managing both personal and server Linux systems. Currently, I'm pursuing my Red Hat Certified System Engineer, as well as some DevOps. Let's go ahead and check out our PowerPoint for this course. So as far as prerequisites go for this course, you need absolutely no prerequisites, okay? No prior knowledge, no classes, or no Linux knowledge is necessary for this course. Everything you need to know, we're going to be able to teach you and guide you through all of this course. Some topics we're going to cover in this course are going to be very high level, okay? So we're not going to go too in depth. We're going to give you the very basic knowledge that you need to know on these. We're going to introduce you to Unix. We're going to show you some basic user commands. We're going to go over some text editing, such as VI and Vim. We're going to go over UNIX Processes. We're going to talk about the file system and how it works and how the hierarchy is set up. We're going to introduce you to some shells such as Z shell and fish shell, as well as the default bash shell. We're going to go over multitasking and batch processing. We're going to discover some file processing utilities. We're going to go over the very important topic of backing up files using CPIO, tar, gzip, and more. And then we're going to introduce you to some desktop environments such as KDE, Debian, Ubuntu, and others. So what's the takeaway you're going to be taking from these courses? So anything you learn in these courses is going to be highly valuable that you can take in with you to your career, such as a job as a developer, a consultant, an IT specialist, or even a sysadmin. Some of the other courses available that can be followed up with this class is going to be Learn PHP Programming, Intro to Linux Bash Scripting, which is going to be another course taught by myself, Linux Management for System Admins, which again is going to be a course that I'll be instructing, and Intro to HTML and CSS. All of these courses are available at coding-bootcamps.com. Be sure to follow us on social media to see all the different courses that are available. And guys, I'm really hoping that I see you on this course and on the next session for this video and for this course of Introduction to Linux OS.